A warm welcome to everyone. Let's learn about sanitation today. Sanitation is a comprehensive term and can be explained as interventions that reduce human exposure to diseases by providing a clean environment in which to live. It involves both behaviors and facilities, which work together to form a hygienic environment. History of sanitation. The cholera epidemic in London in 1854 was a notable turning point in terms of sanitation by mapping how cholera was spread. Doctor John Snow and Henry Whitehead discovered a specific London's water supply which contaminated with human feces. In later 1800s, Edwin Chadwick promoted the disposal of sewage and running water in homes in the United Kingdom. In 1958, engineers Edmund Wagner and Ellen Lanoix placed another major milestone related to the connection between sanitation and diseases. Let's learn about the importance of sanitation. Sanitation is one of the most important aspects of the well being of the community because it protects human health, extends lifespans, and is documented in order to provide economic benefits. Open defecation affects in India. 44% of Indians defecated in open in 2015. A mere 40% of India's fecal waste is treated properly. Women practicing open defecation are at a higher risk of being sexually assaulted. Study by UNICEF shows there is higher risk of fecal contamination in non-ODF villages than in ODF villages, 3.54 times higher in ground and surface water, 1.73 times higher in household storage water, 0.75 times higher in piped water, 0.93 times higher in the soil, and 0.9 times higher in food. Sanitation is a public good. Sanitation is rivalry non-excludable private good, meaning one can stop it from being used by other people with a lock or inside the house. As long as it is safely managed, everyone using sanitation is a public good. Private market players tend underinvest in public goods. Therefore, the government needs to spend in sanitation or provide subsidies for private goods to result in positive externality. The United Nations claims that approx $8 is earned for every $1 spent on water and sanitation through averted expenses for healthcare, disease, etc., and enhanced efficiency. Investing in sanitation and water improvements leads to various direct and indirect economic benefits. It reduces direct and indirect health costs. Universal access to even the most fundamental equipment decreases health related expenses by around $1.7 billion annually. Saves time. Saves each household an extra 1,000 hours per year for a job, study, childcare, collective effort, etc., whose projected economic value is $100 billion per year. Increases the return on investment in education. Healthy children learn more than kids suffering from diseases that sap nutrients and calories, leading to irritation and concentration difficulties. Protecting investments in improved water supply and safeguarding water resources. Water resources are a significant productive asset. Agriculture, fishing, energy production, large scale industrial procedures, small scale business, transportation, and leisure all suffer financial damage from enhanced therapy and other expenses due to water pollution caused by fecal contamination or other sources of pollution. By boosting tourism, by boosting tourism revenues, generated financial activity worth over US $6,000 billion in 2006, as along with health, security, and aesthetics, excellent sanitation and water supply are prerequisite for a flourishing.